Can you stand the pain, stand the rain? I'ma sing the song, how you eat the pain. I can buy you new designer thing, Gucci, Louis, Prada, yeah, the final thing. Ice style, Cuban lane, Rolex, VVS, pinky ring. Walk the same, talk the same, stay the same, fuck the fame, never change. Cause I cannot wait until they set me free. So I finally can spend the rest of my days with you, girl.
Hey guys, it's J Marie. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be making my New Year's outfit. I want some stacked jeans, and I'm going to teach y'all how to make stacked jeans. Period. Okay, so like for this tutorial, you gonna need 2 pairs of jeans. It don't matter the different pairs of jeans, cause I use 2 different pairs of jeans. But I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. Show y'all how to do it. I'm gonna tell you, you gonna need a pair of jeans. These are the 2 tones I was talking about. I just did it out of 2 old pairs of jeans. They were 2 different sizes. I made them one size. So yeah, these are 2 tone jeans. Here's one leg. It will not focus for anything in the world. Here's one leg. And here's the other one. It's on another pair of jeans because I was in the process of making some jeans. But we're going to cut off this part. We're going to cut off this part. Make sure y'all do it. Okay, I got my scissors. These are regular scissors. They don't like, you know. As long as it's not no safety scissors. First off, there's one, and here's the other one. We're gonna move all this out the way, and we're gonna set these down. And then we're gonna take these ends, and then we're gonna cut them. Oh, I keep forgetting this is attached to something else. You're gonna cut where you want the stacked part to start, basically. So I started cutting right here. I'm gonna continue cutting across. This way, put that thing in there. She wanna be my little gangster. I'm talking love. Oh, you wanna turn it inside out, and then you wanna do this basically. And then at the end, you wanna match up. You kind of want to match up the seams, and you want to match this up like this. So after you get like that, you want to pull this down like this, right here, and it should look like this. Okay, so you're gonna need a needle and thread. I don't know if you can see my needle. That's my needle. That's my thread. It don't matter what kind of thread you have, because you're not gonna see it. Thread your needle out it again and go back in. So you want to get a good bit of thread, but not too much. Cut that off. Pull it out. And then you want to pull those two pieces even. Y'all literally cannot see what I'm doing, but I'm explaining it. I'm dead. Basically, you don't want, I should have recorded with the back camera. So you're gonna go under, over, rise, I guess. And you want to sew where the seam is, basically. You want to sew here. Not here, but here. And you're going to go under, over. Not under, over, but basically like you'll go under and come back over at the same time. And they'll look like little... Why is that car so loud? They look like this. They should look like little tracks, basically. And you want to keep them tight, but not too tight to where, you know, your ankle not going to fit through there.
I feel like I ain't making enough space for this.
These not hers.
They're together, but
They are not.
I don't know.
How old are you?
I don't know.
If you're 15, he out of y'all.
No.
I was gonna say, age does matter. Because 13 and a 15-year-old have nothing in common. Yeah. You're looking at me like, are you serious? I'm like, yeah. Think about it though. When you turn 14 or whatever, at the end, all you want to do is when you come back out on that last knot, girl, you want to knot it. Put a pretty little knot there. Pretty little knot there. And then you want to cut that bad boy. You won't be able to see it. So we're finna do the other leg. I'm gonna show you how to do it one more time. Arm through this part. Grab this. Put your arm, like use your arm to maneuver this up to match these up. Like I said, do the best you can to match the seam. This down. Okay. Remember, you want these to be even, like so. And then, yeah, like, yeah, roll them up, roll them up. Then you're gonna get your thread. And you're gonna get your needle. And you're gonna take this old thread out because this is nothing. This is not enough to do anything with. And you're gonna stick it to the side because you don't need it anymore. Oh, there's a thread. So yeah, we're gonna undo the thread once again. Gonna thread our needle. Okay, once it's through there, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna roll out a bunch of thread to make sure you have enough to go all the way around because this is very annoying. Match up the seams, or try to anyways. And you won't start by doing that thing I taught you, the little rope thing. I'm like, come here, put that coochie on me. Don't be running from it. If you like it, I spend money on it. We know if he like it, he spend money on it. You get it? Dude just got exposed on Twitter. Funny would have cussed me out. I told him I wanted to get a job, and you know I want to get a job. Okay, after you finish doing that, you gonna knot it. Gonna knot that thing. What was he having a panic attack? Okay. You gonna cut that thing, make sure you got you a good knot right there, bro. It's a good knot. If you gonna pull on it, it's a good knot.
Okay.
Gonna roll these bad boys down. Like they're right here. As you can see, they are stuck up. And this shouldn't be tight at all. And I matched. Anyways, for your distressed jeans, you gonna need some scissors, some shears, and you gonna need some tweezers. Turn it around. Okay, so we got our slit, and you're gonna get your tweezers, and you see this, you're just gonna start pulling like this, like so, because you want to get that fringed look. So you want to pull these little white things. You don't like it? Okay, cool. Go get a new friend, buddy. See through with this one. We should start another one. I ain't show y'all that whole progress. I had to find my seam bracelets because, yeah. So, I'm going to do a couple more, and then, like, we're going to move on to a different sweat because, yeah. So, I just pull them out, break them, whatever, to get the fringe look, make them look, like, not like I cut them, And then, yep. So, got the distressed look. Gonna do another slit, right here preferably. Okay, so I finally finished the jeans. I finished all the fringes on the jeans. Let me show you guys. So this is what they're looking like. The fringing looks really good. I fringed the bottom. I'm gonna go try them on for y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the jeans on. These are the jeans. This is what the way they're looking right now. Got all kinds of stacked rides going on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you come back for more tutorials. If there's any styles you want me to try, I want you to leave the name in the comments so I can look them up and try to get an idea so I can show you guys. But as far as this goes, I feel like this is a good tutorial. I feel like you can accomplish these jeans at home by yourself just watching my video. feel like it's accomplishable, and I feel like that you should give me a like, and you can at least subscribe if you thought this was a good tutorial, and you can let me know what other videos that I need to do. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Talk to you in the next video.